my dear family and friends. Welcome to City Kitchen Moments. Let's begin a lovely and yummy show that stars Gutti Vankaya or Bagara Baingan, and it's in a gravy form. Try this Gutti Vankaya for a Sunday special lunch or for any special occasions. Gutti Vankaya, also known as stuffed brinjal or stuffed eggplant. It's a perfect blend of peanuts and other spices for stuffing and gravy that goes along with any rice varieties, rotis, biryanis, or simply with hot white rice. To prepare Gutti Vankaya, firstly we need to dry roast and grind the nuts, lentils and seeds to make a base for our gravy along with the onion puree. To start, heat a skillet, add half cup peanuts, evenly roast while stirring continuously on a low to medium flame. Do not leave the skillet on the flame out of your sight. Constantly stir as it takes 5 to 10 minutes for the peanuts to roast. When the peanuts are evenly roasted, set them aside to cool. Next, in the same skillet, add 2 tablespoons coriander seeds and fry over low to medium heat. While stirring constantly, a warm aroma is released and fills the entire kitchen with the best flavor aroma. When the coriander seeds are readily roasted, remove from the pan and cool. Then add 2 tablespoons white sesame seeds to the hot skillet. Heat on a low flame, stirring occasionally. When the sesame seeds releases nice fragrance and turns light golden color, remove from the heat and immediately transfer to a plate to cool down. Next, add 2 tablespoons poppy seeds, also known as gasagasalu in Telugu, to the hot skillet. Absolutely do not leave the skillet on the stove out of your sight. Quickly and continuously stir on a low flame. Add 1 inch cinnamon stick as well. When the temperature is right and poppy seed starts crackling, transfer the roasted poppy seeds and cinnamon stick to a plate and allow to cool. Then add 2 tablespoons cashew nuts to the hot skillet and let fry on medium heat for 3 minutes. Now add 8 cloves and fry on low heat for 2 minutes. Add 3 green cardamoms and fry on low heat until the cashew nuts turn light golden color and emits a nice fragrance. Remove from the skillet and transfer to a plate to cool. Next, add fresh coconut pieces to the hot skillet and roast over low to medium flame. Toast until nice fragrance fills all around and turns golden brown. Transfer the toasted coconut pieces to a plate and cool. All the ingredients that we dry roasted, let them cool completely before grinding. Once completely cool, add the dry roasted ingredients to a mixie jar. Add 1 tablespoon red chili powder, salt as per taste, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and grind to a semi-fine powder texture. Open the jar lid and scrape the sides and bottom of the jar and pour just little quantity of water to make a smooth paste. Make sure not to make the paste watery. Add very little water to make it a thick paste. Keep this spice paste aside. Now, to the same mixie jar, add 1 chopped onion, 4 green chilies, 1 tomato cut into small cubes. Do not worry about the spice paste residue that is stuck inside the jar. After we kept the spice paste aside, little residue of the paste naturally sticks inside the jar. So now, wet grind the onions, green chilies, tomatoes and keep the paste aside. Now that we have our gravy and stuffing base ready, before moving to the next step, please do subscribe City Kitchen Moments channel and click on the bell icon for latest notifications. Alright, hope you subscribed. Now, to make Gutti Vankaya or Bagara Baingan, we need small brinjals or eggplants for this recipe. Wash the brinjals thoroughly and now it's time to slit the eggplants twice diagonally, the way I'm showing it here. So we need to slit the eggplants diagonally in 4 quarters halfway through. Do not cut the stalks or crown of this brinjal. We need to slit the eggplants, keeping the stalk intact to fill in the stuffing. Either with your fingers or with the help of a spoon, scoop the ground spice paste and fill in each and every brinjal. Repeat for all eggplants carefully by filling in without breaking the crown or the stalk. After all the brinjals are stuffed with the ground spice paste, keep them aside. And the remaining spice paste that is left, keep it aside as well for later cooking process. Before getting into the cooking process, please like this video and subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel. Now, heat a skillet. Add 3 tablespoons oil. When oil is hot, add 1 bay leaf and place stuffed eggplants one after another slowly. Do not drop them from high, but slowly place them in the skillet without overlapping. Give them good enough space to cook. Make sure to spread the eggplants in the skillet. Stir in between and cook on low to medium heat for 10 minutes. Give a stir once. Cover the lid and let cook covered and stirring occasionally by removing the lid for every 5 minutes. After 15 minutes, check out that our stuffed brinjals are nicely softened and half cooked. At this stage, remove from the skillet and transfer to a dry vessel. Now, in the same oil, add 1 finely chopped onions and give a mix. When the onions turn translucent, add 1 tomato cut into small cubes. Add 2 tablespoons ginger garlic paste and fry well. When the ginger garlic rawness disappears and onions are sauteed well, add the wet ground onion, green chilies, tomatoes paste that we already prepared earlier. Mix well to combine. Keep frying by stirring occasionally on medium heat until you see oil is oozing out. The moment we see that the oil is separated, add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Also add very little salt. Remember that we added salt while grinding the spices, so add salt according to your taste. Then add 2 teaspoons red chili powder. Again, add red chili powder as per your spice tolerance. We already added while grinding the spice paste, so I'm adding 2 teaspoons here as I like it a bit spicy. So add accordingly and give a good mix to combine well. Let it fry for another 5 minutes until oil separates. When oil separates, add the remaining ground spice paste to the mix. Also pour 3 tablespoons of tamarind juice. You can adjust the tamarind juice as per the tanginess required. Stir for 5 minutes and then slowly place cooked stuffed eggplants in the gravy and gently mix with the gravy by moving around. Cook open for 5 minutes and then cover the lid and cook on low to medium heat for 10 minutes. Remove the lid after 10 minutes, give a gentle stir and cover the lid again. Cook for 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, and finally after 15 minutes of cooking on low heat, brinjals are cooked well done and the gravy comes to a desired consistency. Garnish with coriander leaves and our authentic Bagara Baingan or Gutti Vankaya is ready. Now turn off the flame and cover the lid for 5 minutes to retain the moisture in eggplants. And then we can see that the brinjals are well done and the gravy looks thick. Serve this homely Gutti Vankaya or Bagara Baingan either with biryanis, rotis or with piping hot white rice. Share this authentic Gutti Vankaya recipe to your loved ones. Also leave a comment with your feedback and suggestions. Do like this Bagara Baingan recipe and please subscribe to Siri Kitchen Moments channel and click the bell icon to receive latest notifications. Hugs and love from Siri Kitchen Moments. Thank you.